Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be reviewing this universal license plate light mount from Auxbeam. A link to this product will be included in the video description, along with a 10% off coupon. Use the code 4DIYMR10 for the discount. This is an aluminum bracket with a powder-coated black satin finish. I was very surprised of its weight. It's extremely light and very rigid with minimal flex. We have a variety of holes, so this bracket should work on a variety of license plates found throughout the world. I'm in North America, so for my example I'll be using a North American style license plate. The holes are slotted too, and this provides a little more flexibility if there is some slight variations. The bracket consists of a flat sheet with a 90-degree bend and a hollow tube with plastic end caps in the front. There is no flex in the tube, and you can see there are short welds on both the top and bottom, which are cleanly done. As for mounting, this goes behind the license plate, and I'll provide a very rough overview on my installation. Once the plate is removed, I can then install the bracket for a rough mock-up. I use the highest hole so the mount was on the lowest position, then the lights get installed on top. You will have to pick your lights according to ensure they're not too deep, where they interfere with the bumper face. I did run into a slight problem with this due to the shape of the bumper, so I did raise the bracket, and you'll see this further on in the video. The lower portion where the license plate mounts is plastic. It does have some flex, which may make the lights vibrate over a rougher terrain. In order to overcome this, I made an aluminum backer brace. All holes are threaded, so there's no need for nuts. This extends the full width of the mount, and will spread the weight of the lights over a larger area. Backer braces will vary based on your bumper design. This did involve drilling some extra holes in the bumper too. I tried to keep this as basic as possible, while still having a secure install. With the higher mounted level, I did run into a slight problem where it was causing more flex on the thinner portion of plastic. In order to overcome this, I drilled one additional hole in the mount, which goes up higher for a fastener that threads into a nutsert in the steel portion of the bumper. You'll have to supply your own fasteners. For fasteners of choice, I used metric to match the truck. These are a button socket head fastener, which are painted black to match the mount. The truck does have some chrome, however the black still matches well with the truck. The plate still needs to be installed, but with all the fasteners in place, here you can see the strength of the mount. I am putting some pressure on the mount so you can see the bumper flexing as well. I do notice a little twisting movement, but this can be from the plastic portion. In order to overcome that, instead of mounting one fastener in the center, I could have done one on each side. Keep in mind, this isn't intended to be structural protection for your bumper, it's just an aesthetics piece. The bracket has 4 different options to mount your lights. It can take both pod-style lights and light bars. For these particular lights, I found these center holes to be undersized for the pod lights, so I used the outer slots instead. The lights can be moved freely left to right or up and down as long as you don't have any interference on the backs of the light with the bumper face. After that, the plate is then installed, and this still maintains a clear view. Once done, you can see the final look. I haven't installed the top bolts for the license plate, as my vanity plate does have smaller slots than compared to a traditional style license plate. Otherwise, there's no interference with the plate's mount position. The tube adds a slightly upgraded appearance to the truck, and I'm able to keep everything somewhat stock. While I did have to drill some additional holes in the bumper, drilling holes for lights may be more complicated depending on your vehicle. The quality is excellent, it's very affordable, so it's not worth making your own mount, and most importantly, it looks great. Have you purchased this product in the past? Please be sure to share your experiences in the comments below. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, it's a huge help to me. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.